Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's April 14th, 2010, and grain markets this morning expected to open higher. Outside markets are providing some support. Dollar down 13, crude up about 84 here this morning, and gold back higher, turnaround from yesterday, up $7-8 here this morning. We've got EIA with their report out at 9:35 this morning, which is expected to show larger stocks of crude. So some conflicting numbers there, but with the big surprise yesterday in grains, we are getting follow through here this morning. After yesterday's late rally and all the grain contracts scurrying around trying to find reasons why the market was higher, it's the only thing you can say is technical short covering started this market and turned it up. And it's a market that, when you look at the fundamentals, you can find a lot more bearish reasons than you can bullish, yet the market turned around. So it's given us an indication that this market may be turning the corner here. We need more than just one day to confirm that, but a market that has all the factors of bearishness and can't go down, it's telling you that you got to be careful about how much pressure you put on that market. Some of the fundamentals that we need to talk about here this morning, we got continued bearish fundamentals in corn, good weather. Planting progress is moving along very rapidly. A large producer of ours down in central Indiana and Illinois, he's called in this morning. He's 50% done on corn already. We're going to see a lot of corn planting this week, I believe, when we get the USDA report next Monday. The rains that were expected to come across the northern Midwest have been pushed to the north, and we're going to, in Illinois here anyway, doesn't look like we're going to get much rain, and we're going to get a lot of planting and field work done here over the next several days. Corn has got technical support around the 350 area. 345 is better support, with key support here at 343.5. Resistance at 359.5. If we could break through that and close above that, that would certainly give us an indication that we're changing the trend in the corn. In the soybeans, calling that market 5 to 6 higher here this morning. NOPA crush came out at 149.27. That total for the year is 11% greater than what we were last year, where the USDA says we need to be on a pace of 4%. So that's positive news for soybeans. We've got talk that China is going to come in and buy some more old crop beans. That is supporting the old crop, new crop spread, and I think kind of prompting support all around the grain complex. The chart resistance is around the 980 level in the May contract. 985 is the high that from the last rally that we had. If we can close above that, I'm sure we've got the potential to take us up to the 1020 area or so on the upside. Support 954, then 950, and of course the 911 is our long-term downside support. So we're in a big range in the soybeans. In the wheat, there wasn't really any news. Fund buying, short covering supported the wheat market and allowed it to rally very rapidly, ending up 8 1/4 on the day yesterday. 480 is a critical resistance area there. 447 is support. Over in the livestock trade, we got cash cattle are trading in that $99 to $100 range. There's been some reports of 100.5 traded in Nebraska. The product is still good. The demand is good. We had cutout values up 60 cents in choice, up $1.18 in the select. However, the overall cash market appears to be a little weak. Producers are very willing to price cattle all the way out into June because of the profitability that they have right at the moment. Cattle closed lower yesterday, and we've got support underneath the market here at about $93, and then again all the way down at that $91.50 area. The cattle are expected to open steady to about 15 lower here this morning. In the hogs, we had some good news there and a lot of excitement yesterday in the futures market. We added $1.50 to the futures. Cutout values were up 143. Cash markets are steady firm. And the big news is out of Russia and the deal with the poultry, sending more poultry to Russia again. That sounds like they're in the works. It sounds like it could be a done deal, but we haven't got any confirmation on it yet. That would be very supportive to pork prices, especially after this last USDA report that tells us we've got very tight stocks coming up here this summer. So the technical resistance there is contract highs at $86. We tested that overnight. Expected that market to open anywhere from 15 to 40 higher when the open outcry starts here at 9:05. So if you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. There's going to be a lot of excitement here today, a lot of uncertainty, and give us a call. We'd be happy to share any strategies with you that you might want to work through. 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning.